Today, you will see how fast and simple it is to engrave a clean QR code onto wood using our laser system. Start by clicking the QR code icon on the left side of the software. A default QR code will pop up on your workspace. Next, click Editor. Here, you just type in your QR code content. Text, numbers, links, anything you want. Then confirm. Resize the QR code to fit your wood piece. Drag, scale, and position it exactly where you need it. Now set your engraving parameters: power, speed, frequency. Use values suitable for wood to keep the lines clean and sharp. Once everything looks good, hit Start. Watch the laser engrave each module precisely, creating a crisp and scannable QR code. Here's the final engraving: clean, accurate, and permanent. And as you can see, the QR code scans instantly with no issues. If you need a reliable laser engraving solution for QR codes, branding, or industrial marking, HeatSign is ready to support your work.